Today, I'm putting this powerful 10000 RPM electric air duster to the ultimate test. Let's see if it really can blow away all the dust and dirt in my messy workspace. I'm always on the lookout for tools that make cleaning easier, and this electric air duster seems like a game changer. It's designed to make quick work of dust and dirt, and I'm excited to see if it lives up to the hype. My workspace can get pretty messy, and I'm hoping this duster will help me tackle the dust and dirt that's always accumulating. We've all been there. You're working on a project, and dust and dirt seem to appear out of nowhere. You try to brush it off with a cloth or a brush, but it just spreads it around. Sometimes, it even gets into tight spaces where it's hard to reach. Traditional cleaning tools like compressed air cans or feather dusters can only do so much. They might move the dust around, but they often don't get rid of it completely. And let's be honest, those compressed air cans can be expensive and aren't always effective. I've used other electric air dusters before, but they've often been disappointing. They either don't have enough power or are too bulky to use comfortably. That's why I'm excited to try out this 10000 RPM electric air duster. Its high speed seems like just what I need to really get rid of dust and dirt. The idea behind an electric air duster is simple. It uses a high-speed fan to blow air out of a small nozzle, which can dislodge dust and dirt from surfaces. This one claims to run at an impressive 10000 RPM, which should provide more than enough power to get the job done. I'm also interested in seeing how it handles different types of surfaces. My workspace has everything from electronics to delicate equipment. As I take a closer look at the duster, I notice it's lightweight and feels comfortable in my hand. The nozzle seems pretty small, which could be helpful for getting into tight spaces. I'm looking forward to testing its maneuverability and seeing how easy it is to use. Let's put this duster to the test. I'm going to start with some of the dustier areas of my workspace. Whoa, that's a lot of dust. Okay, let's see how the duster handles it. As I move the nozzle around, I can see the dust flying away. It's pretty satisfying to watch. The duster seems to be handling the job well so far. I'm also impressed with how easily it gets into tight spaces. I've been struggling with dust buildup in these areas for a while now, and this duster is making quick work of it. I'm going to try using it on some of my electronics next. The duster seems to be doing a great job on my electronics, blowing away dust without causing any damage. I'm starting to think that this might be the cleaning tool I've been missing. In conclusion, this 10000 RPM electric air duster seems to be a powerful tool for cleaning dust and dirt from various surfaces. It's easy to use, effective, and gets into tight spaces with ease. If you're struggling with dust and dirt like I was, I definitely recommend giving this a try. If you've had any experience with electric air dusters or have any favorite cleaning gadgets, I'd love to hear about them in the comments. Don't forget to check out my other video on innovative cleaning gadgets. You might find something else that catches your eye.